Tiny Jack. What you gonna do for us today? Oh, you're gonna roll over. From his tummy to his back. Maybe. Let's do that again. Wait on his knees. Very good. Woo! There comes that arm. That's our trick for today. Hey, Jack. He's gonna go over. We gotta start watching ourselves. He's gonna be big trouble. He's rocking and rolling and ready to go, but still likes to go just backwards. Soon enough. Soon enough. Ooh. Hey, guys. Hey, guys. Alright. See you next time. Bye-bye.